And we are live in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hello, everybody, Facebook world. We are excited. We're actually coming out of Reboot. It's a workshop that we do here in the CCC. That stands for Community Collaboration and Commitment. And it's through the art of social media. And what we're doing is learning social media skill, how to own our own social media, how to manage data, how to really go build and grow online without buying ads. So with that, we're coming out of the workshop week 6. We learn live, we learn video management, how to upload, download, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to go around and let some folks share tonight. Wow, y'all been in class 6 weeks and you're already here with smiles, going live, ready to rock. So if you want to just share like maybe why you took the class, was it what you expected? Share some excitement coming out and congratulating each and every one of y'all for having the spirit of a finisher, because how many times do we sign up for classes we don't finish, right? So I've been there, but you guys hung in here. We've got it done, even going through Thanksgiving and skipping 1 week. So super excited for y'all. I want to start with Marja. Marja, if you want to share first, and then you can pass it back to me.
There, yes. My name is Marja, and I took Reboot because I needed to build more of an online presence. And with all Kiwi's tips and tricks and neat tidbits in this short and sweet Zoom meetings, I learned how to grow my followers, and I learned how to be more present online.
Wow, no, that's really good. So one of your takeaways here that you really liked about the course is increasing your friends on Facebook and increasing your followers, and you have that result. Like you truly see some results with taking
Definitely.
action. Yeah, I love that. Wow, so good. Thank you for sharing, Marja. And by the way, I'll tag everybody in the comments so you guys can follow them. Everybody here are super positive. They just light up Facebook and Instagram. We'll be more online on Instagram later. We're talking about Facebook now, but they truly are very positive communities. So you definitely want to give them a follow. All right, we're going to go next to Leslie. Was it everything you expected, Leslie?
Oh, more. I was the person that just scrolled through Facebook to catch up with family and friends and just posted once in a great while. And with your tips and just showing us how to get involved, I post every day now. I love saying good morning to everybody, and I get good mornings back, and it lifts my spirit just as much. I've learned Instagram. I was never on Instagram, even though it was a short bit. I look forward to future taking the more in-depth class. And no, it's just been fun, and I've learned a lot with just learning how to express myself a little bit more.
Yes, and I definitely see that result. And really everybody here, I know you guys are building your graphics, you're doing your morning quotes. I'm seeing that result, and that you're more consistent online. So great point, Leslie. I see that in each and every one of you. All right, Sue, what did you get from Reboot?
Well, first I want to say the reason I took the class was because of you. When I first met you, your energy, your success, I just said, okay, well, whatever she's got, I'm taking. So I really didn't even know what I was getting into, to be totally honest with you. But then as we started to go along, and it was all about, using Facebook and learning, I had no idea there were so many parts to using Facebook. I didn't really know. I never did a story until you came along. I didn't even know about Reels, and just increasing my friends. And I have to be honest, it's a night class. I'm not a night person, and I was excited every time it was coming around. And I'm wide awake. Like afterwards, I'm all revved up. So
I know. We're on the East Coast, so a lot of us are on the East Coast, not Eliani. We're like, how do we sleep after tonight? Like it's so funny.
The whole round up. So no, it's been awesome. It's been really, really great.
Thank you. And you mentioned a lot of things like reels and stories, and it really is a jam-packed class. We learn a lot, and many people take this class twice. So when you do come in and take Reboot with me, you get a free retake for a testimonial. So that's a great exchange to be able to take it again. I believe social media is like taking a foreign language, and you can't learn everything in one time, right? It's really about taking it, applying it, or I say activating it, using it, and then doing it again in repetition. So with that, we're going to go to Eliana. Eliana, you took a couple of my social media classes and now Reboot. I can't wait to hear from you as to why you took it, what you learned, and how different it is like from the other classes you've taken.
Well, Kiwi, it is my absolute pleasure to be here and be with these wonderful girls. I don't think we have any boys, any male, right?
We do. They're not here.
But they are absolutely awesome. And yes, I did take a few classes, and the reason I'm back is just, you are just very genuine. You are so knowledgeable, and you're so willing to share and to instruct us the right way. The thing that I appreciate the most is that you teach us not only what to do, but you teach us what not to do, which is just as important. I really need to strengthen my presence on social media and get more results out of my business. And I have not been posting at all, and I so much appreciate that somebody's at my door. That you make available the retake, not the retake, the recorded,
Right.
because life happens. Like today, I spent my whole day fighting the rain here in California. So the ability to review with the recorded lessons are so precious, because I can put my husband to bed, and at midnight I'm here hanging out with Kiwi while you're probably sleeping out there, right? I just think the world of you, Kiwi, and I will be taking more classes with you, because I need to move forward, and you're gonna be my gal.
Oh, I love that. And right back at you and everybody here. It truly is a community. We build a camaraderie. And another thing is that people are in different companies. This is an all company training, and I hope that we always make that welcome to each person to be able to share their company, but at the same time we value that we are all in different companies and different places and stages of our life. And I love what you're saying, Eliani. It's a community, and it's a lot of support through learning, and we need that as we learn. We need that positive support. I can't wait to continue to work with each and every one of you. Again, thank you, Facebook, for listening. And if you have any questions about the class, let me know. You can message me privately. You can drop a comment. Again, I will put everybody in the comment. I'll tag them. That way you can follow these ladies and friend them. We are missing Dr. Bob and Joseph. So yes, there were some gentlemen in the class. They're not here tonight. And some other folks that did not join tonight, and that is all good. We'll see them next time. But thank you so much for listening, Facebook. We'll see y'all soon. So I click stop